Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tess Albier from Green Circle Realty, your trusted agent dito sa Lancaster, New City. So ngayon guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang ating Westman Condominium. Tara, pasukin natin. So guys, bago natin pasukin ang 2-bedroom condominium unit dito sa Westman, anyway, our project is located at Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite, around 30 to 40 minutes away from Moaan, Naiyabaya, Cavite. So let's go! Guys, this is the turnover. As turnover, nakatiles na rin ang ating floor at printed na rin ang ating walls. This is the kitchen area kasama ang sink and kitchen cabinet. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng overhead cabinet since mataas ang ceiling to floor height natin, nasa 2.8 meters. Ito naman ang living area which is spacious at madali i-remodel since maganda ang layout ng ating floor. Next to it is our first bedroom. As turnover, naka-window glass yan and naka-provision for window type aircon. If it's not a bedroom, you can use this as your office since uso naman ang work from home setup. Depende yan sa gusto mo. Since malaki naman ang room, marami kang pwedeng ilagay dito sa loob. At may saksakan na rin dito banda, pwede dito i-set up ang computer. Next is the master bedroom. Same din sa unang bedroom. Naka-glass window with naka-provision for window type aircon. Also, maganda rin. Meron siyang partition for cabinet para ma-organize ang gamit. At may space ka pang maglakad-lakad sa loob ng room. Next is the toilet and bath. As turnover, complete siya sa bathroom fixtures. Di pa kasama ang cabinet dito para you have the opportunity to express kung ano ang design and mood ng bathroom mo. Tabi ng bathroom is where you can place your washing machine for your laundry session. Don't worry, may nakaabang na faucet. At yun ang turnover natin. If you are interested, I have my contact number in your screen. At pag-usapan natin on how you can avail. Available po ang ating unit sa Pag-ibig Financing, Bank Financing, and In-House Financing. So, message me kung interested po kayo. Thank you for watching my vlog. Again, this is Tess. Have a great day. Huwag kalimutang i-subscribe ang channel ko po para ma-notify ka para sa bagong mga updates. Bye-bye!